Merry Christmas. Welcome to my channel Crazy Rich Cooking. Today I'm gonna make fried rice for Christmas holiday. Fried rice, fish cake, ทอดมันปลาพี่น้อง shrimp and herb, ginger and garlic. Let's go make fried rice. Okay, chicken oil. Put the chicken oil in here. Okay, I'm gonna put ginger, little bit ginger. Garlic. Everything smells good. Ginger, garlic smelling good now. Gonna go ahead. This is the vegetable. I'm gonna cook because this is for Christmas party. That's how you do fried rice when you make for a lot of people. And I'm gonna cook chicken powder for the flavor. Cook them together. So easy, guys. A little bit sesame oil to make a good flavor, and white pepper. Always add white pepper in there. Okay, that's vegetables done. Put them together. Nice taste already. Because when you make for party, you gotta make like this. Make it easy to serve everybody and then easy to cook, guys. Okay, that's done. This have water, so you're gonna put it in here and let the water drip. See that? When you cook, you have the salt moist, so you take it off, let them sink, dry out. Done right here. Okay, now again, I'm gonna cook shrimp, chicken oil. Just put it there. My cooking, I love a lot of garlic, ginger, garlic, guys. Okay, get in there. I am showing you how to cook easy fried rice for the party or holiday. This is how you do it. Don't do the way Chinese people they do for one person. This is we do it for 10 people. So you're gonna do the way I do. Very easy. Okay. Keep looking. Keep watching. Okay. Okay. The ginger and garlic smell good and nice brown right now. This is fish cake. Okay. Go ahead. Cook fish cake. Fish cake and shrimp fried rice. How good is that? Okay, now bean and corn will be in here waiting for everything get ready. Okay, this shrimp right here. Go ahead, throw it out. I boiled them already, but I medium boil, so I'm cook them again. Okay, I'm gonna put chicken powder and white pepper, olive, and sesame oil, a little bit for the taste. Smelling good. Alright, just cook it down. Everything already cooked, just make them together, that's it. Okay, shrimp and fish cake already done. Okay, put everything in here. Just like that, guys, so easy. Okay. Yum, smells so good right now. Smells so good. Easy to cook fried rice. Okay, I'm gonna make some egg. When you cook fried rice, people love a lot of egg in there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Show you how to make so easy, step by step. Okay, 10 egg. Alright, show you how to cook egg, okay? Chicken powder, always. Always a little bit ginger. Garlic, guys. Just like that. Good cooking. Healthy fried rice. Okay, garlic and ginger already nice and smell good, golden tone, and go ahead put the egg in here. Alright, guys. Now this egg you can scramble egg if you want to, just a bit like that. But I like the piece, the chunky piece. Okay, so easy. See that big chunky piece for fried rice. But everybody love egg in fried rice, right? That's what they like. So that's what I'm doing right now. You wanna do this fried rice step by step for party, so easy to do it, okay? Very simple. Okay, the egg done right now. So how you do it? Christmas party fried rice guys, okay? Alright, that's done. Okay, everything going down together just like that. You see it? It's like that. Now I'm gonna show you how to cook final fried rice, okay? Final fried rice. So easy. Here come rice. I put the glove, two glove. I'm gonna show you how to seasoning rice, guy. Okay, seasoning rice, soy sauce, just like that. Okay, soy sauce already in. Sesame oil for tone cut, nice, smell good. All right, and gonna be chicken powder always. Make it taste good. Okay, let's mix all together. So easy, okay? Okay, most important thing, you want your egg yellow, nice and toned yellow. Put egg in here right away, okay? Put egg in here. I put 3 of them. And mix them together, just like that. When you cook fried rice for party, that's how you do it. Because when you cook for one person, you don't have to do like that. You cook everything in one time. Right now, I cook more than 10 people, so I'm gonna do like this. Look at this. See that? Nice and beautiful yellow. Okay, last fried rice. I'm gonna go ahead and cook fried rice right now. Okay. I love chicken oil. Okay, chicken fat oil. I don't like vegetable oil because chicken fat oil has more flavor when you're cooking. Then I am gonna go ahead and put ginger, garlic, all in. Okay, final fried rice, guys. Very simple. Cooking until they're nice and brown, cut tone, yellow tone. Okay, guys, the garlic and ginger yellow now. This is crazy rich cooking. Anything happen if you follow me, you can cook very easy and simple for the party. If you want to do it, just look at step by step. Okay. Now let's go ahead and put rice in here. Time to fry rice, guys. There we go. Going down to the hot. Fry rice. And cook until the nice and tone cut and smell good and the egg cooked, everything cooked. And put them together. That's it. Final cooking. Okay, guys. The fried rice already cooked. Alright, this is nice and yellow tone, right? When you put egg and soy sauce in here first and you cook, you don't have to worry about, oh, I'm gonna put this, gonna put that. Everything seasoning already, just go ahead cook that. I'm gonna go ahead and put them together. See that? Everything in. See? All you do, just add the rice in here. Okay, just add rice in here, that's it. Okay, one last cook fried rice, guys. Alright, who don't like fried rice? Tell me about that. Last cook. The more rice, more people eat. You know, rice is good for you. Rice is a whole grain. Eat it. Better than you eat burger, this and that. Rice is the best food ever for the Asian people. We love to eat to live, eat to get for living. We go up with this. We love rice, okay? Final rice, guys. Alright, going down. After that, put them together just like that. Everything good taste now. Alright, guys. Come on, party with me. Enjoy good fried rice. Merry Christmas. Fried rice. Okay, guys. Here come fried rice. See that? Beautiful. Now you can serve 10-20 people. And cook with no time, okay? Alright, guys. Beautiful. Shrimp and fish cake fried rice. Better than Chinese cooking. This is crazy rich cooking, okay? Alright. Last final. Red, don't forget red onion, guys. Red onion make the food taste so good. That's why I have to put in here. Cannot forget about that. Look at this. Okay, guys, there you have it. Thank you for watching and Merry Christmas. See you guys next time. Alright, bye-bye. See you later. Bye.